Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Smoke test automation versus manual smoke testing. There is no right or wrong way to carry out smoke testing, and what works well for one team may not work well for another. Before carrying out a smoke test, software teams should consider their objectives, resources, and long-term project plans. The process of manually testing software can be educational for young professionals new to QA, but for more established teams, there is rarely a benefit to opting for manual testing over automated testing. Hybrid smoke tests. The third option for teams that can't decide between manual and automated smoke testing and sanity testing is to opt for hybrid testing. Hybrid testing combines aspects of both manual and automated smoke testing to boost the overall performance and efficiency of the tests. When using the hybrid smoke test method, the majority of the test might be automated, but with certain aspects performed manually. This allows teams to focus more attention on those aspects of the build that need it while keeping the overall time requirements of the smoke test low. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.